In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up out of office in Google Calendar and auto-decline meetings. By the end, your calendar will clearly show when you're away and handle meeting requests for you, so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by opening Google Calendar. On the top left, click Create. This is where you'd normally add a meeting or event, but for time away, we're going to use a special option that helps manage your availability automatically. In the event window, look along the top and choose Out of Office instead of Event or Appointment Schedule. Out of Office does more than block time. It tells others you're unavailable and can send automatic declines, so you don't have to reply to each invite manually. Next, set your dates and time. Pick the start date and the end date for your time away. If you're stepping out for part of a day, set specific hours so only that window is unavailable. If you're taking full days, like a vacation, turn on All Day, and your calendar will mark those dates as completely blocked. Think about time zones if you're traveling. Choose times that reflect when you truly won't be available. Now let's take care of meeting responses. You'll see an option to automatically decline new and existing meetings. Choose the behavior that fits your situation. If you only want to block anything that gets scheduled after you set this up, select Decline Only New Meetings. If you prefer to also decline meetings that are already on your calendar during that window, choose Decline New and Existing Meetings. You can customize the decline message, which is helpful for clarity. Keep it brief and professional. Something like, "I'll return on March 10th," makes expectations clear and reduces follow-ups. When everything looks right, click Save. If you chose to decline existing meetings, Google will ask you to confirm before it sends out those responses. This is your final chance to double-check the dates, hours, and message before notifications go out to invitees. That's it. Your calendar now blocks your availability during that period and will automatically decline invites based on the option you selected. You can always open this out-of-office entry later to adjust the dates, tweak the message, or delete it if your plans change. This simple setup keeps your schedule accurate, informs colleagues right away, and helps you return to a clean inbox instead of a pile of meeting conflicts.